Really, Penpot is about collaboration between designers and developers. And one of the decisions is actually bringing from engineering, from the code world, abstractions, vocabulary, best practices into the design process. Hoping that designers are going to actually love it because of the non-lost in translation problem anymore. I'm going to also use Penpot Export, which is a community contribution that takes the API, Penpot API, and exports some cool stuff and changes the typography and colors of a website. So this, I switch here. For the first time in open source world, you get to have the whole development pipeline 100% controlled by you. It's not that design lives elsewhere in a silo, and then you have to kind of connect that so you can integrate everything. We need to go beyond simply a open source design tool for designers. We need to build an open source design prototyping tool for both designers and developers, because that's the next thing that's coming.